Hi there, Natalie with you today to show you what's coming to the shop on July 2020. As always, our Life Crafted kit, the Wild or Heart kit, this is a July kit. I'm sure Trina's taking care of that. I'm going to show you more what's coming on the add-on kit. So this month's selection of cardstock, you're going to get two. This is this beautiful vibrant blue, and then as always a sheet of a white American crafts texture. The selection of papers this month actually come from different manufacturers. Most of them are going to come from Sweet Story from Maggie Holmes. So you're going to get this one that is called Pink Truffle. You're also going to get Swan. I'm just going to spread them out so you can see them. You're going to get Highlight, which is these beautiful frames that you can cut apart. You're also going to get Posies. Taffy, which looks like these beautiful rainbows, kind of hand-drawn. You're also going to get Confection. The selection of paper also includes papers from Let's Stay Home from Pink Fresh Studio. This is Stay Home. And also, let me see here, I believe this one is Hold On. There's another pink Maggie Holmes paper. This is called Rhyme. You're also going to get one of the papers from Heidi Swapp Homegrown Chapters collection. This is Homegrown. This one is from Amy Tangerine, Picnic in the Park, Lovely Lass. It's beautiful white floral on yellow. This is from Pink Paisley's Fifth and Monaco, and it's beautiful black and white floral, which I think are going to be fussy cutting. And then you're going to get one paper from Dear Lacey's Here and Now. This is Hot, Hot, Hot. This is beautiful, colorful cacti. So, beautiful palette. A lot that you can do with it. Everyday documenting. But I'm going to show you the B-side so you can see how nicely this actually coordinate and create beautiful backgrounds. There's so much you can do. Not just document summer, which is what we are going to be heading into here in the Northern Hemisphere. So, let's just start with the Dear Lacey. Then you have this mint print. The Fifth and Monaco has these beautiful colorful stripes that pretty much have all the colors that are going to be in this month's kit. Black and white stripe. You're going to get this beautiful floral, kind of a painted floral. The cut apart from Pink Fresh Studio has this beautiful black and white stripe on the B side. And the other paper has this beautiful sky blue plaid pattern. Then the cut apart sheet from Maggie Holmes is actually also a cut apart on the B side. So lots that you can cut and create your pocket pages or add them to your layouts or your Life Crafted album. This one has this beautiful pattern. The taffy paper actually has this green on green, tone on tone pattern. This one here has this beautiful mint pattern. The highlight paper from Sweet Story, it actually has this kind of painted background, which is great. And then you're going to get more black and white. And also this beautiful pink tone on tone pattern, also from crepe paper. So these are all the papers included in this month's add-on kit. Now I'm going to show you the embellishments. This month you're going to get 4 fabric bows, and these ones are from Magical Forest collection from crepe paper. So you're going to get a selection of 4 of them. You're going to get the puffy stickers from the Let's Stay Home collection from Pink Fresh Studio. So all the colors that you see in the papers, and there's everyday stuff and things that I'm sure you documented your time in isolation, so these will come in handy. You're also going to get the cardstock stickers from Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home collection. Lots of phrase stickers, rainbows, homes, there's puzzles, there's everything that you can think of that you did while the time on isolation, it's here. The puffy alphas for this month from Sweet Story collection, and this is puffy scripty alpha. And the ephemera this month comes from Fifth and Monaco from Pink Paisley, and you're gonna get the same black and white florals that you saw in the papers. Lots of florals, there's labels, very vibrant colors. There's some journaling spots. You're gonna get these big pieces of ephemera, and you're also gonna get some pocket cards. So like I said, and there's little hints of gold. So lots that you can document with this kit. Like I said, it's a nod to summer, but I think it can work with any of seasons. So I'm just gonna move it aside to a bit to show you a little bit more of what's coming to the shop. And this month you're gonna, as always, you can find a traveler's notebook. This is an add-on to your Life Crafted kit. If you're a subscriber, you can add it onto your box. The same as with the add-on kit. You can add it to your box, use the bundle shipping code. And the other stamp that you can add is the Life Crafted. This is the This Is Life stamp. This is Wild at Heart. So much you can do. Again, there's a tropical feel to that. And as always, the B side tells you what you can do. You can create your pocket cards. You can create your layouts for your Life Crafted album. So much you can do with it. So these are the two that are available today too. There's also some restocks that just came in. This is the Bailey Alpha. Beautiful size for your projects. You can also find all the feels, and this stamp set was created during the time of confinement, so there's a lot of what happened while we were at home, and a lot of what we're wishing, you know, while we were at home. So make sure you check it out. Comes in really handy for adding sentiment to your layout. And this one here is the Madison Alphabet. This big bold alpha that get great on your layouts to create titles, to add bold captions. There's so much you can do with that. As always, we have curated some elements or some embellishments that will work great with your kit, and these are add-ons that you can add to your boxes. One of them is this puffy thickers, gold thickers from Pink Paisley 50 in Monaco. Puffy gold, and again, sentences, I've already used some of them. And there's another one here. This is from Dear Lacey's Heat Wave. It's a nod to summer, so beautiful gold phrases that are gonna work great with the kit. So again, all of these here are add-ons that you can find on the shop. But there's something else that I want to show you, so I'm just gonna put this aside and move this a little bit to the side so you can see it. And as always, every month we offer our subscribers cut apart elements in our digital shop, but you can also purchase them if you are not a subscriber. So this is the July edition. We also offer digital tags. Again, tags, there's tickets, there's some tabs, just cut apart pieces that you can add onto your layouts and your projects, and these are great to stretch your kits, to add sentiments, to layer, you name it. But one of the things that I'm very excited about are the TN papers. And these are papers that are designed to fit in your traveler's notebook, your Life Crafted, and they're already pre-made to match our kits. So all you have to do is, if you are techie, you can add your lines of journal using the computer before printing them out, or you can just handwrite it, but you have the perfect space for your picture. You already have your cluster done, so you can add some pieces of ephemera or just some stamping and you're done. So this is the selection, great title pages, lots of spacing for journaling, and it's already done. So all you have to do is add your pictures or you cut them apart. It's up to you, but these match our kit and are also available today. And these are part of a digital shop. You have our add-ons and you have our add-on kit. I cannot wait to see what you create with all of this. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. Take care, guys.